In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Display section available here. Now scroll again and this time choose font size and style. Go into font style, tap on download fonts and install Rosemary one by tapping on tiny button right next to it. When it's ready, go back to the same settings and last but not least, apply it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!